Hi guys, this is Adrian. I want to make this video to analyze something that was said during the live transmission video here. Let me show you Calgary eye-opener when they interviewed an expert climate scientist about the river levels of Bow River. But let's start first with this map from Alberta Rivers, or Rivers Alberta website. As you can see, this is the average for many years calculated here on graph. Is the flow, and the equivalency, as you can see, it's almost identical. The faster the river, the higher the level. So this was the level when they were interviewing this climate scientist from University of Calgary. Was this level, which is pretty much nowhere near the highest level, which happens from mid-June to July 2nd, 3rd. The last week it was about this here. So let's go now to the very video and see what the expert is going to say about this water level that's going on right now.
We are on a special edition of the Eye Opener as we talk about water and we walk along the Bow River. We're about to cross a bridge. Now, for this show, we put out the call to you to hear what questions you have about water and to answer as many as we can. Tricia Stadnick is ready to walk across this bridge with us. She's probably actually overqualified for this. Tricia is the Canada Research Chair in Hydrologic Modeling and a professor at U of C's Schulich School of Engineering and Faculty of Arts. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you very much for doing this. Let's
My
get
pleasure.
rolling. Yeah. Before we get to questions that came in from the audience, we have had a fair bit of precipitation over the last few weeks, which has been welcome in a lot of ways. Are we still in a drought?
Yes.
Okay.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Yes. So we all have to remember we've had a lot of rain for sure, but we have to remember that this is the time of year where normally river levels are the highest, right? This is the time of year where we start to see the rain and the snow, and we would fully expect some flooding on the banks. And if you look at the banks as we've been walking along, we certainly don't have flooding. And so that's an indication that we're still much lower than where we should be and ideally where we want to be, because that water needs to sustain us through the entire summer.
Yeah, when we think about drought or water shortage and a time horizon, how do you think about what we would need to kind of overcome where we're at?
Yeah, I mean, it's really difficult to put an exact number to it because these systems, I mean, you wouldn't need me.
No,
any monkey would be able to do the calculations if it was easy, but all of these systems that handle water in the environment are interconnected. So we have the mountains, which are pretty far away. We heard that the Bow River watershed is 25,000 square kilometers.
Okay, so again, if I go back to the graph, you see, here is a graph she was talking about in this video. And as you can see, we are nowhere near this area where the Bow River would flood the shorelines. We are just here. The last few days it was on average. So you see. So it's pretty clear that the misinformation presented here, which we must fight with facts, we shouldn't be lied to and brainwashed with propaganda and accept everything that's been cherry picked and spit it out regarding the climate change. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.